Hey y'all, today I'm trying out this brow pen that I got from Amazon. It came with a little spoolie, a brush on the other end, and it came with the actual pen. So on the pen, it's dual-sided. One side has the microblading looking brush, and then the other side has the point straight tip. Now, I bought one of these from TikTok Shop. If y'all want to watch my last video, you can see it. And I liked it, but it was just too dark. So I found this one on Amazon. It's a shade lighter. To me, it's the same concept, so why not try it? So pretty much I started out with the straight side. Now, y'all don't talk about me because I realized after I filmed this video that my brows were off. But I was trying to use this little tiny handheld mirror, so that's my fault. But anyways, I do the line first, and then I came in with the microblading. And for me, this helped me out a little bit. Clearly not too much because they're a little bit off, but I was able to kind of get the hang of it a little better and very, very, very light pressure. So right here, I'm just adding in the little microblading side, but I think I could have made this shape way better. And if you're watching in my old videos, y'all know I can shape my brows, okay, y'all? So don't talk about me. But I ran to the bathroom because I realized I don't like this with my skin, like natural. Like I'm a natural girly and I use my Morphe whenever I'm doing my natural brows. But for this particular pen, I do feel like it's noticeable. Like on camera, okay, yeah, but off camera you can notice. So I just came in with a little concealer and foundation because I kind of wanted to see what it looked like with makeup. Even though this isn't my full look, I just put a little something on. And it looked better. Maybe once I put my lashes on, I don't know, y'all. But I think I would definitely use this brow pencil on days that I wear makeup. But right here, you see me just kind of coming in and fixing it. Y'all, I'm fixing the wrong brow. Y'all, the wrong brow. The other one is the one I should have been fixing, but whatever. You can kind of see here, but I'm just, I rated an 8 out of 10. It's actually a really good product, but this is definitely for the makeup girlies. This is not for the day that you want to look bare and natural and just have a brow and a lash. Nah, this ain't it. But for a makeup day, I would definitely use this again. And I like how it didn't smudge because that little ugly part that I messed up, y'all, it stayed there all day long, okay? So let me know if you've tried this product before. Let me know what you think. Don't talk about my shaping, but y'all can at least let me know what you think about the color. And, I don't know, I'm frowning. I'm looking all mad in these videos, but I'm actually really happy. But, there you go. You can kind of see me kind of giving you a little face. But, yeah, let me know what y'all think. See y'all on my next one. Bye.